Hello everyone, welcome to PB CBSE Maths. Today in this video, we are going to solve exercise 9.2, first main fourth question. In the first main fourth question, we have a quadratic polynomial 4u square plus 8u. We have to find out the zeros of this given quadratic polynomial, and also we have to find out the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. At the end, we are going to verify whether the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros is correct or not. So we have a quadratic polynomial 4u square plus 8u equals to 0. Here we don't have that constant term c, so let's modify this quadratic polynomial as 4u square plus 8u plus 0 equals to 0. Now it is in the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now let's try to find out the zeros of this given quadratic polynomial. So we have 4u square plus 8u. Let's factor out 4u in these two terms. So if I factor out 4u, u remains in the first term, then 2 in the second term equals to 0. Then we can write 4u equals 0 or u plus 2 equals 0. Further, we can write u equals 0 by 4 or u equals minus 2. So u equals 0 or u equals minus 2. So these are the two zeros of this given quadratic polynomial. Let's try to find out the sum of its zeros. So sum of the zeros is equals to 0 plus minus 2, which gives 0 plus into minus 2. 0 minus 2 gives us minus 2. Now let's try to find out the product of zeros. Product of zeros is equals to 0 into minus 2, which gives us 0. Now let's verify the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros is correct or not. We know that sum of the zeros is always equals to minus b by a. That is the negative of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. So here in this quadratic polynomial, coefficient of x is 8. So minus 8 divided by coefficient of x square is 4. So 4 ones are 4 twos are. So the answer we get is minus 2. So we can say that the sum of the zeros is correct. Let's find out product of the zeros. Product of zeros, it is always equals to c by a, that is constant term divided by coefficient of x square. So here the constant term in this quadratic polynomial is not there, then we modified it into plus 0. So the constant term is here 0 and the coefficient of x square is 4. So let's substitute that values here in this one. Then we get 0 by 4, which is equals to 0. So we can say that product of the zeros is also correct. That is the solution. I hope you all got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.